Hey guys, Wire here. I'll make a little quick video on one of these screwdrivers here. I like to call these vomit screwdrivers because they smell like vomit to me. And this one seems to have a hole all the way through it. I don't know why that's in there. Somebody probably did it to get a little bit more leverage on it. But this looks like a good candidate for a restoration. And I don't know who makes this. Hopefully there's a maker's mark stamped on the handle. But we'll see. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay guys, here it is right here. Turned out really nice. Shank and the blade turned out real nice. I wasn't really sure about this handle. It was a little bit more beat up than what it looked like when I started up. So I got it the best I can. It did have a maker's mark on it, but it was so wore out, I couldn't tell you who made this. I know the last letters are SA, so I'm thinking it's made in the USA. And whoever had it before drilled right through the maker's mark. But the handle kind of turned out all right. It is what it is. Who knows how old this thing is? Anyway, folks, what I'm doing is I'm going to use this in my toolbox. It's not a collector's. I'm going to get rid of all my Chinese tools. I'm tired of them breaking on me and bending on me. I think they're made out of peanut butter and aluminum foil. I'm going to start using these older tools that I've been collecting throughout the years. The ones made in America, they seem to be built a little bit more sturdier. But that's the way I'm going. Some of the tools I have, I am collecting. Some of the older ones, I'm just going to put in my wooden toolbox and just leave it for my grandchildren. See how Pop used to do things. But anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later on. Have a good one. This is Wire. See ya!